Yo, what is going on YouTube? Today's video is just gonna be another video of me fishing, and yeah. So if you want to see different kinds of videos like challenges, anything like that, just comment something in the comments and like the video and subscribe. So peace.
Mini bite.
Huh?
A mini bite. Are you chewing or what?
No, I accidentally spit and hit the boat.
Oh! He says.
Oh!
Ruined it. You gotta keep on top of the weeds.
That's what I was doing.
Ooh, you hear that?
What?
Did you hear that? Bang, bang!
Yeah?
Hit the ball, you hit a tree. Guarantee it. That's funny. Bang, bang! Or you hit something hard. Wasn't a fucking...
Got one.
Oh yeah, you do. Keep it up. Look at all the weeds. Look at you, got a bass, man. Bassmaster Classic over here.
I'm not gonna flip it.
Huh?
I said I'm not gonna flip it.
You lose it. Come on, lose it. Just lose it.
No, sir. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
There we go.
Yeah.
First fish of the day. First fish of
Way
the
to
day
listen
that
to
was
your
landed.
dad too, right?
First fish of the day that was landed.
Hey, who did you listen to?
Me.
Who did you listen to? Where'd I tell you?
Out there. Alright, here's the release.
There's the man.
There it goes. I caught the first fish.
Land.
Well, we're here at in Fall Creek. My dad told me about this place, and hopefully we can catch something here. So. You can tell the fluorocarbon line if you were fishing on it because they like stretch it so much. It doesn't feel right. So I don't know. I'm just starting to get used to it. I got one. No! I didn't even know that was a fish. I felt it tugging, I didn't even know. Come on, dude. The platypus. Pretty sure that's a platypus. Or no, I don't know. Whatever that is. Looks like a platypus. Has that flipper or whatever it is. Or their feet. Yeah, I went down. I wonder what he's going for.
Alright, I'm just getting back home, and I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and peace!